Hello there, and this is another broadcast from the Stock Analyst Master Station. We're just going to go back to that NVDA chart real quick with Sam. We're broadcasting from the West Coast today, so Sam, say hello to YouTube. They are watching. We're just trying to get you some quick numbers so we can get you some quick plays. And let's get going. Let's unmute Sam. Make sure Sam is unmuted. Okay. We'll get right to this chart.
All right, Brandon, thanks for sharing this chart. We're looking at NVDA on a 240-minute time frame, with the data shown up to October 2nd, 2025. First impression, NVDA has been in a really strong uptrend since April. It looks like it's been making higher highs and higher lows, which is classic bullish price action. Currently, NVDA is trading at $189.28, and on the day represented, October 2nd, it was up plus 1.11%. It appears to be pressing up against a significant resistance level, or at least the upper bound of a price channel around that $189, 190 mark. Do you see that strong ceiling there? I also notice several horizontal lines drawn on the chart. These are great for identifying potential support and resistance zones. The one around $184.12 and another at $178.23 look like they could act as immediate support if the price pulls back. The price action looks like it's consolidating near these recent highs. It's either gathering momentum for a breakout above $190, or it might retest some of those lower support levels. What are your thoughts on which way it's leaning, Brandon? Based on the strong uptrend and the current consolidation near resistance, if NVDA can break and hold above this $190 level, it could indicate further upside potential. That's a potential play if we see that breakout. If it rejects the $190 level, then we'd have to consider the bearish side. But the overall trend here is definitely bullish. What do you think about that $190 resistance, Brandon? Has it been tested multiple times recently?
What I think, Sam, here is we're going to see an explosion.
All right, Brandon.
Sam.
Great to be your co-pilot today. We're looking at a 240-minute chart for NVDA, and it's definitely showing some interesting action. Right off the bat, I see a really strong, sustained uptrend here, starting from around February-March, near the $80.90 levels all the way up to the current price of $189.28. That's a powerful move. It looks like the price is currently sitting right near the top of what's labeled as a price channel and also hovering around recent highs, with the day's high.
Okay, and Sam's going to continue to speak. We just want to get you those numbers real quick as the time is ticking. No. Go away. Go away, you.
Hey, Brandon. Great to be back with you from the Stock Analyst Master Station on the West Coast. Always good to analyze some NVDA with you. Taking a look at this 240-minute chart for NVIDIA, dating back to April 2025, we're definitely seeing some exciting price action. Here's what jumps out at me. 1. Strong uptrend. NVDA has been in a consistent and robust uptrend, climbing from roughly $80 in April all the way up to its current level around $189.06. That's a fantastic run. 2. Breakout confirmation. It looks like NVDA has recently broken out above a significant consolidation or resistance area around the $180, 185 mark. This move to $189.06 is pushing it to new highs within this time frame. 3. Ascending channel. Those horizontal lines, especially the price channel you've drawn, suggest a clear ascending channel. The price is currently hugging the upper boundary, or even breaking above it, which is very bullish. 4. Explosion. Sentiment. You mentioned an explosion, and I can certainly see why you'd think that. This breakout on strong momentum often leads to a quick, significant move upwards. Do you have a specific price target in mind for this potential explosion? Based on this strong breakout and your bullish sentiment, a short-term call option could be a way to capitalize on that anticipated quick move.
I believe it's going all the way up to 250, all the way to 300 in the long run. Over the next couple of months, we'll definitely
All
see
right, Brandon,
220.
it was a fantastic session diving into your NVDA 240-minute chart. Here's a quick summary of our key takeaways. We observed that NVDA has been in a very strong.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to mute Sam right there. As we had already had an NVDA video or analysis session earlier, we just were not able to get those numbers as fortunately things had aired out on us. So I came back and because I feel like it's my due diligence to you all out there to get you these ideas. And so we got you those numbers. Now, you must remember that this is in no way, shape, form financial advice at all. You are free to do your due diligence and research with the numbers that we give you. But they are potential ideas for ways or projected ways based on analysis that the charts can go. Um, we always appreciate you taking a look at our content here. If you do like the content that you have viewed today, please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to continue to provide you the best AI stock chart analysis with our host, Sam. And we definitely appreciate you, ladies and gentlemen. As always, please remember to stay safe and have a great day.